Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem. So here we have, this is nice right triangle in which the one side length is 79 and we have the one angle is 90 degrees. So it means that this is the right triangle, so that here we need to find the parameter as well as the area of this right triangle. So according to this less information, we will need to find the parameter and area. So here first we will denote the other unknown sides length is equals to small a, b and c. So here we call this is our the length of this side is small a, the length of this side is small b, the length of this side is small c. Okay, so first we need to find the value of a and c, and after that we easily find the parameter and area of this triangle. So here first we will apply here the Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, you know that Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So if you focus in the right triangle, the side opposite to the 90 angle is called the hypotenuse. The side which join these two angles is called the base, and this side is called the parameter side of this triangle. So here we have the base is equals to small a, and our hypotenuse is equals to small c. So it will be written as c square equals to our perpendicular is 79. Here you see that the value of perpendicular length is 79. This is written as 79 square plus our base is denoted by a, so it will be written as a square. And now here in the next step we need some simplification. So we move this a square in the left hand side and it will be written as c square minus a square is equals to 79 square. And now here in the next step we have we will just apply here the nice square identity, and we rewrite this equation as c minus a times. So we rewrite it as c minus a times of c plus a equals to, here we know that 79 square is equals to 6241. You will easily get the square of the 79. And now here in the next step, if you focus in the left hand side, we have the two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. And now here first we need to convert this the right hand side in the product of two numbers. So we have this is 6241 and we write it as, so now we find two numbers whose product is 6241. So these two numbers are 79 multiplied by 79. This is the first possibility, and the second possibility is that we multiply 6441 multiplied by 1. Okay, so we have these two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 6241. So that we break this equation into two cases. So that the first case is we will compare this 6 plus a equals to this is 79, and we compare c minus a equals to also 79. This is our first case, and the second case is c plus a equals to 6241 and c minus a is equals to 1. So we have these two equations, so we can solve these two equations simultaneously and we get the values of a and c. So if you add these two equations, then first we need to focus on here. So if you add or subtract these two equations, then you see here we have when you add these two, this a and a are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 2 times of c equals to 6242, and we get the value of c is equals to here we divide both of the sides by 2 in order to get the value of c in this way. So we have our c equals to we cancel this term, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So it will be written as 3 1 and 2 1. So this is the value of c. And now here we need to substitute this value of c into the one of these equation, and we get the value of a. So that if we call this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, so we substitute the value of c in equation number 2. So that equation number 2 is implies that this is c minus a. The value of c is 3131 minus a is equals to a. And here we move this minus a to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side, and it will be written as 3131 minus 1 equals to a. So you will obtain here the value of a is equals to 3130 is equals to a only. So this is the value of a. So if you can focus on second case, and here we need to subtract these two equations, then you see here these are cancelled out by each other and a plus a becomes 2a, and these are also cancelled out by each other and we get here 0. So here you get the value of a equals to 0. So this means that if our a equals to 0, a equals to 0 means that our base of the given triangle is 0. So it is not possible to the side length of any given triangle is 0. So that we will rejected we will reject the first case, and we can just proceed here this case only. Okay, so in this case we will easily get the value of a and c. So the value of c is 3100, and sorry, here we have little mistake. So when you cancel this term, you see here this is 3121. Okay, this is 21. So if this is 21 here, then this value will becomes 31 and 20. Okay, so here we get the values of a and c, and now we need to find the parameter and area of the given triangle. And you know that the formula of the parameter of the triangle is equals to sum of three sides of the given triangle. Okay, so we have the value of a is 3120, the value of b is given in the problem, that is 79, and the value of c is 31 and 21. So when you sum up all of these values, then you get the value of p is equals to 63 and 20. This is the parameter of the given triangle. And now here we need the area of the given triangle. So that in order to find the area, we first write the formula of the area of the triangle, and its formula is 1 over 2 times of base multiplied by height or perpendicular. So we have our base is the base of the given triangle is equals to is denoted by a in the given problem. So we have the value of a is 3120, and the perpendicular side of the given triangle is 79. So here we need to cancel out these values, and when you simplify all of these values, then you easily get the value of a is equals to 1 2 and 3240. So this is the area of the given triangle according to the given information, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.